No, that's good. Here's the reason. You can see it went up and it literally just stayed up here. It stayed up, stayed above VWAP, still super strong mover. I mean, that's beautiful. That's what you want to see. If this started to fade and not just consolidate, I would get worried. But no, this is what I call it's being held up, meaning buyers are holding it up still in this range, right? Yeah, team looks good. You can see it's starting to fade a little bit here though, right? You see this, how it's getting a little bit heavier on the vine. Just be cautious. If you're looking for a long, wait till above 142.43 here. You see it? Here's the thing with team. So we can see it came up and then it started to curl down. You can also see on my Elliott wave oscillator, look right here. You see how it's fading? Also watch the volume right here. You see this? This is getting very heavy. So if you're in team, start paying attention. If you're in a long, you see how it's getting heavy? If you're scalping it, right there's my stop. Right below the bottom of these wicks. Do you see them? Because what'll happen is if it breaks this right here, it's going to pull really hard, right? If not, it is just going to continue this channel and hopefully take you to the upside, right?